What's going on YouTube? Ty back again with the xking.com. Hit you with a 11th month update review of my blog, and not happy right now with the results of my blog. I've been writing since 2018. I wrote before that. I started taking it seriously 2018 in November. Right now it's the middle of October, and I write articles like crazy all last year, and I wrote articles this year. I mean, in this last August, I did a blog post a day, and my blog post is not super long. Some are long, some aren't. But I post content every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. Now I changed the frequency where I post. It's to post Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. That way, on the weekends, I have that time to publicize that content, put it on Tailwind, put it on Wix, put it on Medium, put it on Tumblr, put it on Facebook. I post that content all on social media on the weekends. So it makes it easier for me to keep track of my content. And so, it's starting to die off, you know. So in September, I got 244 visitors. October so far is 151, and we're halfway through this month already. If you look right here, we'll have 1, 2, maybe 2.5 weeks, 2.5 weeks to go to try to beat last month's. Don't know if I'm gonna get there. I need 100 views fast, but this is what bloggers go through. Well, not some bloggers. Now I started Tailwind and Pin on Pinterest. That has to come about sooner or later. And it's discouraging. I'm not getting no views. Like I should have. But I'm gonna tell you one positive about the site. I'm getting more views than the other person who's getting none. Yeah, remember I get 240 views in a week. That's more than the next person who's just started a blog who wants their first visitor. So I can't get too upset. I can't get too mad. Is it discouraging? Yes. I mean, blogging for 11 months and you're doing a lot of content, and I'll show the content. In the last November and December, I did a blog post a day. That was 60 articles. In January, I did a blog post a day. February, March, April, May, I did a blog post every other day. So one week I get 3 blog posts, the next week I get 4. And I thought it was a little too much. So I just recently, as last month, I did 3 articles a week. Much easier for me to maintain and keep up. So, I wrote all the articles. It has over 400 posts on this blog. So there's some positives. There's a lot of content to have in the blog. So once I started ranking and started getting traffic, I'm gonna start making money. Number 2, I'm already getting views now. I'm getting 200 views a week. That's not too bad. Some people are not getting 0. I mean nothing. When I first started the blog, I wasn't getting nothing. So to get 240, it says something. And number 3, when things don't look promising, when it don't look like you're gonna make it, you don't quit. You do not quit. That's one thing I've learned in my life. I quit a lot of things when I was younger, and I should have kept on with it. I'm not gonna quit. I'm gonna keep on posting content like I'm a brand new blogger. I'm gonna keep posting content like my life depends on it. I'm gonna keep posting content. Okay, keep on doing it, and don't stop. The best people in the world, the athletes in the world, they don't stop training. They train all year long. They eat right. They train. They exercise. They work on their craft all day long, all the time. You take somebody like LeBron James who works out all the time, who eats right, do the right things. He works on the off season. He works during the season. He keeps on working to get better, better and better and better. So I gotta have the same mindset. I gotta keep on pushing through. Even if it's a bad season, and I'm not where I want to be, but you gotta keep on pushing. You gotta keep on going, no matter what. You can't give up. Do not. I'm not gonna give up. I'm gonna keep pulling 3 articles a week and keep publishing the content like I've been doing, and I will make it. And one day, I'm gonna look back at this video, my 11-month update my blog, and see, you know what? Thank God I didn't quit. Thank God I kept on going. And the going was tough. I kept on going. And this message to you also. Look at my views. I mean, look at the days. It's not where it's supposed to be. of all the articles I have, it's up and down. It's really up and down. But you know what? You keep on going. You keep on going no matter what. You don't not stop. You don't stop. You keep on going. That's my message for today. My name is Tyler with SKing.com. Any questions, comments, concerns about starting the blog? I use the Bluehost hosting. If you want Bluehost, I believe you get a free domain as well when you start a new account with Bluehost. So you get a free domain, so it's saving $10 to $15 on that. But my word to anybody to make money online, you keep on doing it. You don't stop. You keep making it happen. You keep writing content. You keep posting. Like you keep on doing it. You don't stop. And one more tip before I go. This trend to YouTube and blogging, like once you stop, I just can't stop writing content. I just can't stop. I'm already 3 months ahead of my blog and I can't stop. So I'm gonna keep on going till the wheels fall off. I'm gonna do update next month, and a month after that, and 2 years, and 3 years. I'm gonna keep on doing it until I make it. I'm going to make it. I'm going to make it. The universe is going to reward you by being consistent. If you stay consistent, the universe, the world, karma will reward you because you work harder than anybody else. The people who work hard in the gym, the people who work hard studying for a test, they'll make it. The people who's in the gym consistently, they make it. The people who eat right, they make it. They don't cheat in the diet. And I will do the same thing. My name is TylerSKing.com. Thanks for watching.